Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's Chidera here. In case you're coming across this channel for the first time, hi, you're highly welcome. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment. Okay, so guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make puff puff. I actually got this recipe from Temilayo and Mom channel, so please check her out. She does videos on small chops, anything small chops. So if you want to start up a small chops business, then check out our channel, Temilayo and Mom channel. Okay, I'm going to be leaving her channel here so that you can check it out and you will not regret checking it out. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start making our puff puff. Okay, and do not forget to like my video, share my video, and subscribe. For this recipe, I use 3 cups of flour, 6 tablespoons of sugar, 2 tablespoons of yeast, a pinch of salt, a tablespoon of nutmeg, and then 2 cups of warm water. Okay, so I added my yeast directly because I'm using an instant yeast. If you're not using an instant yeast, then first activate it in warm water and sugar, okay, before pouring it into your dry ingredients. Then I started by sifting my flour. Please do well to sift your flour. It helps to get rid of any lumps or any other thing. All right, after sifting my flour, I went ahead to mix with my hand. After mixing it with my hand, I covered it with a foil and put it in a warm place to rest for about 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, please do not put it in a hot place, put it in a warm place. Okay, so guys, let's. So guys, it's 30 minutes after, and look what we have here. Our yeast have risen. Okay, I'm going to mix it for the last time, and before then I already have my oil already preheated. Okay, so I'm going to use my hand to go in for the last time before frying. All right, so make sure that your oil is hot enough and fry on medium heat. Do not fry your on high heat. If not, you're going to end up with a burnt puff puff that won't be cooked inside. You don't want that. Another thing to take note is that make sure your hands are neat, okay, before you going in with your hands in the batter. Make sure you wash your hand very well before using your hand to mix your batter. So guys, I've gone ahead now to add in my puff puff inside the oil, and I'm going to be frying the puff puff now. So guys, you're going to fry your puff puff on each side until they are golden brown. All right. So guys, as I was frying my puff puff jejeje NEPA just took their light this morning. Like, this has been our case in Lagos, Nigeria for since December. NEPA has been doing us anyhow they like. This is just after 4 a.m. in the morning. I was frying this puff puff and they just took the light. They brought it around 3 and they took it around 4, and before they will bring it again, it will still take hours before they will bring it again, and it will still last. The light will not last. I don't know what we have done to this Lagos NEPA. They should please help us and be giving us light. Please, NEPA, give us light. Okay, so guys, that is it for the puff puff. Thank you so much, Temilayo and Mom channel. I really enjoyed my puff puff. If you are someone that wants to start up a small chops business, our channel is for you. Her videos are well detailed, self-explanatory. Okay, she talks on small chops. She do small chops videos. Like, if you want to go into the business full time, then run to her channel, Temilayo and Mom channel, and stay glued to her channel. Okay, you won't regret meeting her channel. You won't regret coming across her channel. All right, so guys, that is it for this puff puff. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not subscribed, okay, and like my video. Okay, leave me a sweet comment, share to your family, share my video to your friends, and tell them to share and share and share until it gets to everybody. Thank you. Till I come here one next time. Bye.